Can you believe it's been exactly the same day since my last video? Already so many things to improve on. Let's start off. I heard you all loud and clear. More burps. Got it for you. More clarity. It's asking too much. Just kidding. Jokes. Remember? I did tag that as comedian, which I am. I feel like I already need a haircut. A wonderful comedian, Kat Godding, gave me a haircut recently. And I feel like my hair just grows out so quick. Or I need to chop it all off and then it grows back to what I like. Is that what you expected? No. It's what you wanted? Ooh. I don't think you know what you want. But what I want is to not drop about $1.72 on the ground. Oh. I can't always be so good at singing, but I try my best. In all things, I try my best. I'm the best at taking pictures of myself. I'm the best at believing in myself. Alien joke. We can't be the only ones. In the future, I'll have a big map here. But it'll only be the map of the surrounding areas I live in. So, I mean, even in that small area that I live in, this small area, there's so many people I don't know about. How can I not say that alien me doesn't exist? That's too cutesy. It's not funny. What is this? Oh, yeah. Anytime. Okay. Neato. Neat. Oh. I had mentioned earlier that it was a tough 72 hours. I am very lucky to be able to currently afford mental health care. Tough, you know? Tough to live without it. Tough to live with it. Ooh, let me bring you closer here, huh? Things I certainly want to say. Formal introduction. I'm Meg Conley. I'm a comedian now. I'm a comedian. I'm a comedian. And I'm in the Boston scene. I guess. New England. I've been watching YouTube since 2005. Is that when it came out? Let's call it 2006. I speak real good. 2006, I got on YouTube. Something to do after school. I had a lot of comfort going to be able to watch these videos of people doing whatever, or, you know. When I was in middle school, I think it was 6th grade, but it could have been 7th instead. Oh, look at that. Got dinged up pretty good, but I did stand-up comedy in middle school for a talent show, and I didn't win, but I won their hearts, you know what I'm saying? That was something I always wanted to go back to, and I'm so lucky, so lucky that and I appreciate that I'm able to live just outside of Boston. Most of the mics I go to are like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, away in traffic, because my family's really good to me, and I know a lot of people aren't able to have that opportunity, so I'm very grateful that I am. Yes. So I have been on YouTube as a viewer since I was like 12 years old, younger, whatever. About to be 25 in November. And not going to get distracted by that. About to be 25 in November. And, I figure time is time. I have to take full advantage of the time that I have allotted on Earth, with the people that I'm able to be around. And like what what I have to offer, I really gotta capitalize and share what I got, 'cause the luck I've been given and the misfortune I've been handed, there's a lot that is a product of that, all these factors in my life. Oh, take a pause. All of the blessings I have and all of the most unfortunate things in my life has it's been the catalyst of my perspective, and I think that lends a lot to my comedy, and it lends a lot to what I have to say here. As dorky as it is absolutely gonna be, 'cause that's just me. I gotta take the time that I'm allotted on stage. Gonna make them love me. On screen, I'm gonna make you care. 'Cause I care about you, man. We all care about each other, and then it'll all be a little bit better. 9 minutes already. Man, I know how to talk. This is like the best exercise as well for me, 'cause that animal is just sounding so silly right now. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. It could be like an animal. I think that's a human. Ugh, creepy, creepy, creepy. Um, silly stuff. How's I gonna say? What was I saying? Hey. Leave a comment. What was I just saying? Ooh. I'm gonna read your comment. Okay. Thanks for your help. It's a good experiment for me because I try to keep things very concise when I talk to people, because that was a lesson I was taught when I was a child. Be concise. Keep them interested by giving them information quick. Bad noises. And I would apologize, but all I have to offer is good burps. Man. What's to do? What's to do about nothing? Dude, you ever consider that bubbly water needs to just take it down a notch? Not sponsored. So in my last video, I said I was stressed quite a bit. The past, what would it be now? Longer than 72 hours, so I guess. Hey, the past 3 days have been kinda stressful. But it has to be okay. And I went to my therapist. Lucky me. And it was a good conversation. Good stretch of the heart. Stretching my toes. If you ever broken a foot, say hey-o in the comments. I heard you. It's scary. I don't like breaking my foot. That's why I don't do it anymore. When I was your age, I used to break my foot every. What if I cut it all off? Man, my potato head would be revealed. Potato. But you know what? How poetic. The potatoes almost killed the Irish. And now this Irish has a potato head. That might kill her. I'm gonna apologize for that joke already, because it's bad, and it's hack, and it, my head will not, well, I guess I was gonna say my head will not kill me, but ultimately your head could kill you like any time. If your head doesn't talk to your organs, you're done for. What's to say? You know? Oops, my head decided to cut this all off. Oops, my head is sick of this nonsense. Oops, my head is gonna sing you off. Oops, my head. Oops. What note was that? Write a comment. Do the tone people. Music theorist. Comment what chord that was. 15 minutes. What if I only uploaded 18-minute videos? That'd be funny. Anytime I make like this kind of format, me just talking at you, vlog or whatever, it'll always be 18 minutes. How about that? I make no promises. These are all just silly ideas that I have. It'll all work out in time. Or it won't. Don't get your hopes up. How terrible. How terrible that I have something in my eye. It's you. You're in my eye. Write a comment down below what you look like so I can remember what you look in my eye. Huh? I don't think we have enough spare knees. What do you do when you got a new knee? Is it actually like a new knee? Who did they get this knee from? We're closing in on our last minute together, and hasn't it felt like ages? Write a comment what you want me to talk about. Oh, the videos I plan on making? Okay, sure. Here's the ideas. I'm going to post my stand-up comedy. I'm going to record the best of the best. Put it online. You're going to book me on your shows that are outside of Massachusetts. Okay. I have short stories that I've written that I want to see in a short film. I'll make it happen. I got about 20 seconds left with you. Other plans? You just wouldn't believe. I'll see you soon. Say goodnight to the moon. And don't be a buffoon. Bye.